Hey, sorry, recording. What's up, guys? Obviously, I'm not here at school today. I mean, I'm here in my classroom, but it's not today, it's yesterday. That's not the point. The point is this. All weekend, I was grading quizzes. It was not cool. You know why? Because a lot of you didn't do so well. So you need to ask yourself, this is time to reflect here. Why did I not get an A? If you didn't get an A because you didn't do your homework, that's unacceptable, right? I give you the homework. On the back of the homework, there's answers. You're supposed to do the homework. And I told you, I cut and paste from the homework right onto the quiz. It's the same exact questions. All right? I'm going to show you in a little while which exact questions those were. But if you left your homework blank, if there's a couple of blank questions on your homework that you just didn't do, that's just ridiculous, right? Not only that, I do the homework. It's on video. It's uploaded. So if you're at your house and you're like, oh, I'm already on number 10. Oh, I don't know how to do number 10. I'm just going to leave it blank. No, don't do that. Get on the video, watch number 10, understand it, then do it on your own, right? There are no excuses. If you did not complete your homework, then you're going to get buried in this class, right? You got to be doing your homework. And not only completing it, but studying it. Why? Because those are the same exact questions. This is Algebra 2, guys. This is not art class where you can just show up and start drawing. You have to practice at home, all right? Okay, I'm sorry. Going a little too far. So right now the substitute's going to give you your quizzes, give them back to you. All right, the grades are already uploaded, and you're going to have the whole period to correct them. Okay, so remember, if you correct them, you get a 5% boost. But in order for you to get the 5% boost, you need to do the correct work. You need to copy it over in your notebook. I would title it Test Corrections. Put the date and the day, and then copy the questions that you missed and do the correct work, and also give a written explanation of what you did wrong. Or if you want, you could do step by step how you do it correctly. All right? But there has to be some type of written explanation accompanying the correct work of your correction. Okay? So it's a 5% boost, guys. Whoever had a 70% goes up to a 75. Whoever had 85% B goes up to a 90% A minus. Right? If you had a 95%, correct that one question and it'll go up to 100%. So don't let this opportunity slide by. And if you did get that 95% because you missed one and you correct it within a couple of minutes, then you might as well help other people around, right? I mean, you obviously know what you're doing. Okay, so in a bit, I will, or the substitute will give you your tests and you'll get those corrections. But right now, in a moment, I'm going to show you which questions were which. That way, when you guys have time to work on the corrections, you get your cell phones out, put some headphones on, and get to those videos, or get to somebody that knows what they're doing so they could explain it to you, all right? But there are no excuses. You guys should be able to get this done. So here is the actual quiz that we took, right? And all of these questions are the same exact questions as the homework. Check this out. Here's the same exact quiz, but I saved it as I was making it. Now, what do I mean by as I was making it? Well, this first section was from WSP 1.4, the worksheet. This is number 1. This is number 7 from the worksheet. Number 2 was number 8 from the worksheet. Please feel free to jot this down right now, right next to your question. Like right next to number 1, write down number 7, WSP 1.4. On number 2, write down 8. Number 3 was really 16. Number 4 was really 18. Number 5 was really 21. Number 6 was 25. Number 7 was 26. And finally, down here at this section, this is where we went to WSP 1.5, the second worksheet that we received. This one, number 7 was, no, this is number 8. 8 was actually number 9 from that worksheet. 9 was number 11 from that worksheet. And 10 was number 14 from that worksheet. The only difference between the actual questions and the ones you had on the test, like look at number 9, for example, and compare that, or not number 9, look at this, which was question number 9 from worksheet 1.5, which was number 8 on the actual quiz. The only difference is that I changed all of the variables to R. So where you had an N, now it's an X. Where you had an R, now it's an X. Okay? So it's the same exact questions. I hope you guys took note of which one was which. That way you could go to the videos and see number 26 explained if you missed that one, or see number 7 explained, or number 8 explained if you missed those on the quiz itself. All right, guys, good luck, and please behave with the substitute. Hopefully, I'll see you guys tomorrow.